Hey everyone, it's Morgan, and I'm back to do another art activity with you. Today we are going to be making these salt art fireworks. Aren't they so cool? Let me show you the supplies that you'll need. You will need a black piece of paper, glue, salt, watercolor paints, and a paintbrush. Use your glue to create a firework shape. Once you have your firework shape like this, sprinkle salt on top of it. And then shake off the excess. Repeat this and cover the whole page. Grab your watercolor paint and begin to paint your fireworks. Now I suggest using two different colors together. So, like this. And it will mix nicely like this. Once you've painted all your fireworks with watercolor, let it sit for a bit and dry. Amazing work, everyone! This was so fun to make. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye! Please take a picture of your finished project and send it to the art gallery's email, art@kawarthagallery.com. Be sure to include your first name, age, and title of the project. The art gallery is going to post photos of your art on the website and social media so you can see your art posted online.